Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So good to have you back. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick 5-minute breakfast recipe, which is banana pancakes. For the ingredients, you will need bananas. I'm using 2 bananas, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, vanilla essence, a teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, lastly 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, this banana pancake can be mixed with hands, but I'm just going to make everything as quick as possible. So I'm going to combine some of my ingredients into my mixing cup. So first of all, I'm adding bananas. I'm using 2 bananas. I'm adding all of it there. Next, I'm going to add in sugar. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can just add 6 drops to do. I'm adding in milk. Adding in eggs. I'm just going to cover this and blend until it turns to a smooth paste. Once you are done blending, you should have a runny consistency like this. Next, I'm going to bring all the all-purpose flour into a bowl. Adding baking powder. Just stirring everything to combine. I'm going to add in the banana mixture to the flour. I'm just going to stir this. You may not have to pour this all at a time. You can just mix as you pour. I'm just going to be adjusting the consistency to get the perfect consistency that I want. If you run out of your banana mixture, you can add more liquid milk to this to mix to have a runny batter. Once you have a runny batter like this, okay, you should stop adding the mixture. This is okay, not too watery and not too thick. And just make sure you stir this until everything is properly mixed and blended. I'm just going to place a pan on heat, then grease it with some melted butter. Next, I'm going to scoop the pancake mixture into the pan. Just a little at a time. I'm going to fry this on low heat. I'm just going to cook one side on medium heat for 2 minutes. Once you notice some tiny bubbles on top of the pancake, it's ready. You can flip to the next side. Now cook the side for another 2 minutes. I'm going to grease the pan again. Scoop the butter again into the pan. As I said earlier, a little is always better. You don't need to swirl the pan to flatten this. Okay, I've been cooking this for 2 minutes. Once you notice some tiny bubbles at the top of the pancake, it's ready. Flip to the next side. It's just a repetition of what I did the first time. This is ready once you notice a golden surface like this. So friends, your banana pancake is ready. So this is the banana pancake. They look evenly brown and they are nice from inside out. They look very nice. So friends, this was how to make your banana pancakes at home. You can easily drizzle your banana pancakes with honey or maple syrup. This looks really delicious and yummy. I hope you loved this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and also share this with your friends. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye.